Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create business analytics visual using custom shapes. We start by creating modular shapes blocks. Now bars and lines simulate analytics. Then circular indicators show KPIs. After that alignment keeps is neat. Next, gradient fields and add depth. Now icons clarify matrix. Then spacing improves readability. After that, shadows add hierarchy. Next, shapes are grouped logically. Now text is framed clarity. Then contrast is refined. After that, colors stay professional. Next, flow is reviewed. Thanks for watching.